Hi guys, so today we're going to learn about the different applications of machine learning. Now there are basically three broad categories of machine learning, which is supervised, unsupervised and reinforcement. Now let's see the applications of each of these broad categories. Starting with supervised, so the different applications of supervised learning are: first is the advertisement popularity. Now because of machine learning algorithm, supervised learning application is advertisement popularity, where the popularity of an advertisement can be seen through a classification problem saying that whether that advertisement is popular or not, or through a regression problem giving the popularity of an advertisement, and the more popular the advertisement, the better the advertisement. And based on these results, some advertisements are chosen and then put on the internet. Another application would be spam classification. So in your mails, the machine automatically classifies whether the new incoming mail is spam or not spam. And how does the machine do that? Firstly, it takes your mail as the input data and the mails that you have classified as spam and not spam. Then the machine learns what are the types of mails that you are classifying as spam and some as not spam. Based on that, based on the learning, it predicts whether the new mail that you're receiving is spam or not spam. So that's a very great application of supervised learning. So that was all about supervised learning. Now let's jump on to different applications of unsupervised learning. The most common application of unsupervised learning is recommender systems. So most of you, when you go to a social video platform like Netflix or YouTube, after you're done with a video or a show, then the platform recommends a list of all the shows or the videos that you can see next. Now what does the platform do? It's basically recommending some shows based on the input data of the type or the number of shows that you have seen. So here we have the input data, but we don't have any output data. So clearly this is unsupervised learning, and the prediction or the recommendations gives the output data. Another common example of unsupervised learning is grouping user logs. Generally, this is very much efficient in organizations where user logs can be clustered using clustering algorithms. It can be easily separated, and this plays the central theme in custom user experience. All right. Now finally, let's talk about the different applications of reinforcement learning. So the most common and the most used application of reinforcement learning is video games. So the basic idea of reinforcement learning is that the machine learns from its mistakes. And that's exactly what it does in games. Like if you're playing chess, if the machine is playing chess, it makes all the moves and sees which all moves are resulting the machine to finally win the game, and then it learns from these, and then finally it forms a perfect optimized number of ways that the machine can use. And also another example could be of a simplistic game where the objective is to reach from a point A to point B, and there are a couple of obstacles in between. So the machine can collide in most of them in the beginning and learn key at this and these places there are obstacles, and thus machine can learn, and eventually it will ultimately finally find a best path to reach from point A to point B. So that was the main application of reinforcement learning, and those were the different types of applications of machine learning in general. So I hope you guys found this useful. Thank you.